I'm going to share three insanely useful websites, really amazing. So I'll open my browser, and the first which comes in my list is autodraw.com. So I'll just maximize it so that you can type it, autodraw.com. If you want to draw anything, this autodraw will draw it for you. So let's say if I want to make a hut or a house, I'll just try to make it like this, and very soon I'll get the results at the top. So you see, I'm getting a lot of results here. Let's say if I want to make a tree, and I'm not good at drawing, and I'm just making it, and I can get a lot of other options here. So there are so many things which you can do. You can change the colors from here. You can make it green, you can make it blue. That is completely up to you how you want to make it. I really like this website. It is really a good website to spend time. The second which comes in my list is students.com. This is a brilliant website to look for accommodation, cheap accommodation for students across hundreds of cities. You don't have to pay any broker fee. Accommodation in New York or Sydney, Manchester, anywhere. You can search it right here, whether it's London or United States. So from here, whether it's United Kingdom or United States or any other country. If you're looking for Canada, you can search it right here and you will get a lot of options for which you can check which all services they are providing. And this is really a great website if you're looking for cheap accommodation, especially for students. The third website which comes in the list is pexelscom. Now this is my favorite website. Every week I change the wallpaper every 2 or 3 days sometimes. I search right here. I type anything like purple flowers or anything like this landscape, and I get a lot of great results. Now the best part is if I click on that, once you click on that, you can download it for free. You can make your wallpaper and you can select the size and you can make your computer, your mobile phone beautiful. I hope you have enjoyed this very short video. Please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.